we have multiple wireless access points in an enterprise network, a benefit that we get besides just wireless connectivity for our users is the ability to locate a device. We can use a feature called location services. And a common misconception about location services is that we're just checking to see which access point that a client is associated with right now, and we assume that that's generally their location, where that access point is. But that's not terribly specific. What we do instead with location services is we can measure the signal strength from multiple access points. This signal strength is measured as RSS, received signal strength. And let's say that this laptop on screen is in the proximity of 3 access points. Well, we can take a look at the received signal strength from each of those access points, and if we have a floor plan showing where those access points are installed, then it can mathematically be determined fairly precisely where this client is right now. Not just at the location of an access point, but at a location that would result in these received signal strengths from these specific nearby access points. This might be used, for example, in location-based advertising. If you've ever been in a shopping area and as you go from one location to the other, you might get push notifications about a sale going on in a store, and as luck would have it, you're directly outside that store. That's what can be accomplished with location services. You can be marketed to based on your location. But in our enterprise networks, it's great for asset tracking or troubleshooting to see where do our devices reside right now. And Cisco accomplishes this using RTLS. That's real-time location services. And if we take a look at Cisco DNA Spaces, it looks much like this. If we have a floor plan and we have positioned our access points correctly on this floor plan, we're going to be able to see to a fairly high degree of certainty the current location of our wireless clients. And it's not just Cisco DNA Spaces that gives us this, it's also on Cisco's Meraki platform. And here's a look at what that might look like. Very similar. We have a floor plan and we're able to see a fairly precise location for our different client devices. And that's all made possible thanks to location services.